Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dehlia from Dehlia's Place. Yeah, I know it has been a while and I'm slow in getting these videos out, but life happens. So today I'm coming with you with a story time. But first let me give you a disclaimer. This is a bit gross. It's something that happened to me a few years ago. It's embarrassing, yes, but it's kind of funny and I would like to share it with you guys. Excuse the unfinished door behind me though. My bathroom is a work in progress. Anyway, a few years ago I went into Kingston, and for those who don't know, Kingston is the capital of Jamaica, and that's where we go to do most of our business. But anyway, I went there with an ex, yeah. But that's a story for a different time. Today we're going to talk about embarrassing my very embarrassing situation I had with him. So we went on this little trip to do my business, and then after that he said he wanted to go to a place called Little Ochi in St. Elizabeth here in Jamaica. So I decided it's not Ocho Rios, it's Little Ochi, right? So I said okay, let's go. So we went driving. I think it was the first time for him, I don't know, but for me it was definitely the first time. It was kind of far. It's way off the main road, way off the main road. So anyway, we were driving along. And excuse my shaking. We were driving along. It was very far, and if you know anything about Jamaicans, you know when you stop to ask directions, they are going to tell you that, yeah man, it right round the corner, and the corner can't reach. You drive and drive till you work and you can't reach, but eventually we got there, and it's located right on the beach. Nice little setting, very relaxing situation. So anyway, I had shrimp, I had fish, I had shrimp, I had fish, I had crab, I had beer, I had water, I had juice, I had shrimp, and I ate. And I ate. And I ate. And then I ate some more. So anyway, on our way back, bearing in mind that this was basically a new relationship, so you're embarrassed to say certain things because sometimes when you're new in a relationship, you don't want to say you excrete. You don't even want to say you do a number one. Excuse me. Much less a number two. Really? Anyway, happened that I wanted to do a number two. Yeah. Believe it or not, it was a number two. So here I was saying, I want to pee. People, it's a number two. P is not a number two. P is a number one. But I said I wanted to number one because I was embarrassed to say I wanted to number two, because who's gonna tell their new boyfriend that they got a poo? Really? So anyway, we were driving along and he said, maybe you need to do it on the side of the road. I was like, hell no. That suggestion. So anyway, we drove along and eventually we came to a house and we stopped, and they gave me tissue and pointed me over to the bushes. I was like, no thank you, of course not. I would never dream. No, that's fine. It's only number one after all. So I got back in the car, we drove along, and then we came to a bar this time. So the bar, see, this bar now, it's like very remote and stuff. So we stopped and I went inside and I said, good afternoon, do we have a bathroom I could use? The lady was like, yeah man, sure, round the back. So I went on my very little way around the back, and to my delight, it was secluded. Me one round there. I was alone around there, which was awesome sauce for me. So I had no choice. I sat and I did my business. People, I full up the bowl. Man, jeez, it was wonderful. Then I was finished and I looked around. Notice you. Oh my God, notice you. All right, so I came up with this brilliant idea. Took off my pants, took off my underwear, and used my underwear as the tissue, you know. So I said to myself, so what? After I did it, I was like, so what I going to do with it now? What I going to do with the tissue now? What I got to go and do with the underwear now? So I looked, and there was no bin. I was like, oh my God, what am I going to do? So I put on my the pants, and I neatly roll up the underwear, and I neatly stick it in my pocket. Yeah. So, you know, I went back out and lady was like, you alright? Was like, yes, everything is fine, thank you. And I went jiggling outside and, you know, my wonderful self, and was like, you're finished? I was like, yes. And then I started making these circles around the car. And then I was like, what happened? What happened? Come into the car, you know, whatever and stuff. And he came out of the car, was coming towards me, and I was just backing off like, no, nigga. But anyway, eventually I admitted what happened, and he gave me a little plastic bag to put it in. We went on our way. And here you have it. That is my little story. Feel free to comment down below. Feel free to share it. Oh God. Please subscribe for new stories. I'm trying my best to upload more often. This is something I really love, but life keeps getting in the way. I hope you really enjoy this story, and I hope you will subscribe for more. I kind of hope you'll share it too. Okay, so until next time, bye.